Hi guys, today we're going to be speaking about I'm going to be speaking about transition effects and text effects. And I know some of you guys already know how to do this, but what I wanted to talk to you about particularly was to on how to make your text effects and your transition effects seamless and smooth. One thing I know that a lot of you guys like to do is when you use text effects is try to use as many as possible, and when you use transition effects, try to use as many as possible. Um, One thing I can see happening with this project anyway is people using too many transition effects when you don't need them. These types of effects, like up here, I added a transition effect like this. Now that might be okay in between a scene, okay, when you're going from one scene to the next. Or this effect might work really well at the end of a scene, the circle close, like that. Actually, if we took that and moved it over here, where this would go to the credits, that would work really nicely at the end of a movie. But that wouldn't work like in between the middle of a scene when you're cutting from one of your actors to another actor. When it comes to text effects, one thing I notice a lot in our movies is that we like to use text effects, and that a lot of times they don't have any flow to them because everybody likes to use a lot of different effects because it's fun and it's using iMovie. But you can see what happens when I use one effect like a text for some reason in one shot, and then I just switch to another one. It doesn't look seamless at all. It looks like I was just having fun with effects, and it makes my movie look unprofessional. So when you guys are using your transition effects and your text effects, try to make sure that you're using one text effect that would flow throughout your project. All right, and when it comes to transition effects, use them sparingly, but only when necessary in between a scene or to note the end of a scene, like that. Those are really good uses of transition effects. All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We are starting our post-production today, so good luck.